Everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have some goodies from BT2, or you could just say Brown Thomas. And if you're new here, my name is Musa and you're more than welcome to stay. Okay, you can subscribe if you like. I'll appreciate that. If you like the content here, subscribe, you'll be appreciated. And if you're returning also, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate you. I have a little something to show you guys what I recently purchased, which is something that I have wanted to buy during the Christmas period. And unfortunately for me, you know, I don't even shy away from saying it, I'm a little cheap, let me just say that. Like, I don't like buying things full price. I think I've said that before. We wait until there is maybe 25%, 50%. I know, but you know what, I know that I'm not alone. I know I have twins somewhere, and if you are like me also, you're a little on your mullah, let me know in the comment section down below. We do like good things, but recently good things are like here, you know, they are getting, you know, they're climbing the ladder. I don't know why, but anyways, I recently bought a crossbody bag from Coach. I'm just trying to be as gentle as I can be. The weird side, that is what we have in the bag. That's the baby I have in there. And you guys, to my surprise, I did not expect to fall in love with this little lady right here. She's new. She has not yet been worn, so I am looking for a particular day or whenever I'll have the time really to just dress up and put hair in action. That's our Tabby Quilted in the size 20. And let me tell you, the shock of my life. I mean, on camera I know it is going to come up like it's massive. But the right size for me, because I have bigger handbags and I have crossbody bags, and I have to be honest with you, I just gravitate towards one particular bag, which is what my Zara crossbody that I had been using for the past, I don't know, million years. So this is our bag right here. Let's make it like that. Okay, that is just the tag there in case you decide to return it in store. That is for them to know that you have not used it yet. And it comes with a little bit of that, as you can see there. This bag is something else. It still has a price tag on it. I felt like they just basically took it from their shelves. Even the way it was packaged, I was a little like, is this Brown Thomas? Are you watching? I mean, no. When someone spends money, show them that they, you know. So anyways, just playing, guys. Yeah, so the color of this bag right here, it's buff. But on their website, I will show you right here now, on their website, when you are buying, they say neutral. Well, it is neutral, but I think they should have put buff. So I'm just gonna open it now. I am so excited, guys. I am so excited. Oh, that's our little one there. Look at that. There's the chain. Oh, it's tucked in. Lovely. Let me just do this. Ooh, I love this. Oh, okay, the price tag is on the chain. That's us there. Oh, it's gorgeous, guys. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The leather, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I want to bring it closer to you guys. Let me just, I mean, oof, darling, darling, darling. This is how it looks like. First, when you open it, look, there's a little pocket right there, if you can see. And it has Coach, the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. It's made from Napa leather. Also, it has those. Let me just take this out. Let's take those out. Oh, light. It's just to keep the bag in shape. And then that is the inside. See there? Oh my god, it is beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's just take a moment, guys. I know this is like way too much. Ooh, it's gorgeous. See, you just press there, and then that's the thing that closes. Okay. It only has that little thing. Even if you have like more Coach bags, there is no way you can say, okay, let me use a different strap with this one because of only that. And then this side there is nothing. And then this right here can be worn in different ways. It can be worn as a crossbody, which I will show you right away. We'll do that for you guys, then you will see it. And I'm wearing my Primark dress, by the way. I don't take off this dress anymore. Look guys, that's the look at that. It's really nice, petite, how I would like my bag to be. And look at how it is against black. Imagine this now with white. Imagine how beautiful this is going to look like, or any other color for that matter, you know. So now I'm gonna show you how I am planning on using this, and I will be putting in some of the things that I use on a daily basis. But before I do that, let me show you, because I've seen this from I've seen this from their website, the Brown Thomas website. They have made it in such a way that just tuck that in there, close, and then it can be hand held as well. And then that's how it is. So I have a few things here I want to show you guys, like, so that you will have an idea of what goes in here and what will not go in here. So I have my car keys, right? And I will just, because the car keys, you know, I'm going to the car, I would like to have that right here. No, let's see. Ooh, okay, let's start with my phone. This is my phone. It's an XR. Nice in there. See, spacious in there, nicely fitted. And this is my wallet. This wallet only has my license, my bank card, my Boots card, and library card and bus card, just in case I'm not driving. So those are the main 5 cards that I carry with me all the time. They are in that slot. And I'm planning on getting the Coach little wallet like that. And this right here, this is my Rimmel lip gloss, the Rimmel Thrill Seeker Classic Gloss. I carry this everywhere I go. And also I will chuck that in there. See that? Here we go. And then the car keys on top of the lip gloss. And because I wear glasses, you know, and I want to be able to carry my the case with, sometimes I prefer bags that could basically carry my glasses. Let me just show you. Maybe this will work, maybe this won't work. Let's try with my glasses. No, it won't work. My glass case cannot go in there. That's another situation. Now if the glass case cannot go in there, then that means it won't be able to cater for all the things that we need. And here we are with all the 5 things in there. 1, 2, 3, you know, actually 4. And that's it. The house keys there, the car keys there, my wallet, my lip gloss, and my phone. And it also has a back little pocket there. See that back little pocket there. I don't know what you can put in there. Let's try and see. No, it will just be to stretch the bag, so we won't do that, because we don't want this girl to be harassed or to be damaged. That is just our girl there. There we are. And it's, you know, it does feel, you feel it when you're holding it, because of the things that are in there, and also because of the leather and whatever material that went in the making. I would like to think it's a beautiful bag. If you're thinking of this, I don't know what to say, you know. I am in awe with this. I love this handbag. I feel like it was a good investment from my part, and I am glad that I got it in this color. So yeah, that is our Tabby quilted in size 20. If you would like to see, just subscribe, like the video, you know, that will help more. And you can also comment about this color. The color, like I said, is called buff, and buff is buffing, is buffing. Look at it. Let me just give it a moment, guys. Here we are with our buff. Look at the chain. I mean, you cannot miss this. Let's give buff the moment. Beautiful buff. All right, I want to show you, if you have this sort of like wallets, you know, this is my other wallet as well, which I use whenever I have a backpack because it's bigger. It has all the cards in here. So if you have this sort of wallet, you might just want to downsize and get a wallet that could fit this one. And this particular color, the buff, at Brown Thomas, they have a little 2 different sizes of little wallets. I'm thinking I might get one of those wallets, and yeah, so we see how it goes. However, I want to tell you, I didn't pay $4.75, okay? They had 25% off a couple of weeks ago, and that's when she was bought. I paid less than that, maybe €100 or 100 something euro off, 120 off or something, I can't remember. But and that's just the best way really to buy some of these things. If you feel like, you know what, it's a little, then you can just wait until, you know, Brown Thomas has the 25%. And if you want to get on their mailing list, you need to subscribe to them. Whenever they have anything going on, new products, whatever the case, you will be among the first to know. When they have sales, you will be among the first to know. And Christmas time, they have some of the biggest sales online, I tell you, and I'm not kidding you. Like, be it sunglasses, designer sunglasses, handbags. Be smart, spend your money wisely. Full price, I'm just saying. So guys, we have gotten to the end of the video, right? If you like lovely content from the lovely Musa, please subscribe. I will appreciate that, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching and keep well.